It's been a couple of hours. Oh, it's me, Jonas, yeah. Whatever. Yeah, it's a Poop Stool. I want to put the finishing touches onto it now. I want to cut out a small circle so it slots well under the toilet. Not on this side though, because this is here. So on this side, let's go! This thing is cracking. I got this at a yard sale. $5. Hey, if it works, it works. Just need to put a new blade in it and then I'll be good to go. Let's draw a little half moon, quarter moon. I kind of like this wooden feature in here, so I'm just kind of gonna go in front of it a little bit. Yeah, like that. Gives it that Poop Stool-esque look along that line. I think what I still want to do before I sand is route the front and back edge real quick. The question is, what kind of edge? This. Yes. Okay, here we go. And I've clamped this down to the table on this side because I'm kind of scared of the router and I don't want that to move. Maybe earmuffs, it's also really noisy. Spins really fast. Dangerous stuff. Gotta be careful. Wow. Wow, that makes it look so much more professional. Let's turn it around. Do the back. I want to oil this thing now. See how amazing it looks. Yeah. Look at those nice edges. All right, let's finish this thing. I've got my belt sander with 120 grit, and I have an orbital sander, and I'll probably do 220 with that. I'm just going to sand it a little bit with this, sand it a little bit with that, and that'll be enough for me. Do I want to correct that? I think not. No. Basically, no. That's 80, I don't want 80. Oh yeah, it's finished. All that's missing is some oil now. And what I still have is linseed oil. Cool. All right, come in, let's have a look.